Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to the recap. Today is the 11th, and let's look over the overall market first. Let's check out the SPY, right? That's how we see the overall market. Whoops, let me make this full screen. So today, as you saw, right, just like yesterday, it was kind of consolidating, and today, in pre-market, it kind of broke that support, and now it's downtrending. So it's going to be interesting and it's also Friday, right? On Fridays, things are more wavy sometimes. So let's check out the daily chart and let's see how that's looking like. So yeah, so we're kind of like in a downtrend as long as we hold this area right here. So maybe come around Monday, we may go back up a little bit. So let's see how that goes. Maybe more good news on vaccine stuff. So we'll see. Other than that, let's go over the watch list. So today I was watching FRSX, which I was careful on because it's a whippy stock. I had no trades on it. VTVT, couple trades on it. And I'll show you what happened. And LXRX was on the back burner just in case if it takes off. And PEI, it's not here, but at the time it was. So first, VTVT real quick. So VTVT, pull up the minute chart here. It was a whippy stock, right? So I actually tried to get in for the break of, so I took two trades, right? Let's see here, where's those? All right, so one setup I was looking for the break of this 425 spot. And if I pull over my order book, right? So I got in, so a couple of trades. One was for the break of 414, got out 417. Just quick ones because the stock is whippy, right? Kind of make it or break it. And then I got in at 435. Oh, sorry. 435. Let's see. 435. And then I got out at 434. And then tried to get in at 424 and I got out 428. So it was this area right here, right? This area made a couple of sense, and this area it broke out. But I didn't get out fast enough, so I got out pretty much a penny late, which was this area right here, 435, 434. So, it's a one set loss. Look what happened right after, though, right? It went all the way down to $4. So this is why the stock is whippy, and it was a make it or break it type of thing. I wasn't going to hold on it any longer. And this stock right here, it came up and dumped right after. So, and then tried again and it dumped right after. So definitely whippy action on this stock for sure. But I mean, look, this came from all the way from 222 and went all the way to 655. I mean, that's a big move. So you have to be careful on stocks that make big move. You can't really expect them to keep going higher, right? So you have to be careful. So, and also it's good to step back and evaluate if this stock is whippy, right? If it is, have a plan that you're not going to trade, or if you are going to go for a scalp or make it or break it type of thing. That's it. That's how you stay alive in this game. And then PEI was the other one. So let's open up PEI, right? PEI, I took a couple of trades. One trade was break of this for a scalp. One was for 128 and then the other one was for around this 124 spot right here, right? There's definitely clear resistance. So as this was coming up, I wanted this to pull back, and which it did, and then I got in for the break of that move, right? The best entry could have been at 118, and then maybe you could have sold some on the way here, and then if it was setting up again, you can get in again, right? So a few moves definitely for sure on the stock. So overall today I'm finishing up 202, and I only traded two stocks today, and maybe about like 4 or 5 round trip trades. So not bad. It's all about taking quality versus quantity trades, right? So that's what I want to focus on, and that way, as my quality trades gets better, I can size up as well, right? I'd rather size up on quality trades versus quantity and sizing up on every trade. So that's what I want to focus on. Other than that, it was a good day today. For a Friday, you know, there were other stocks that were moving, which I was watching, but I didn't take the trade just because I know it's a Friday and I don't want to go into the weekend with a red day or anything like that. So I was watching this stock right here over this area right here for 575. And then I was also watching this area right here as well, but for the break of 615. But then again, you know, I didn't want to trade. I'm good with the money I made today. It's Friday. You know, I don't want to take any more risks. There's always another day, and Monday it's gonna come. So whoever traded the stock definitely made some good move. Overall, not bad. So I mean, this stock came from 435, went all the way to 794. So that's it for me. Make sure you like, you subscribe, and comment. And we'll see you Monday, if anything.